Sit down. Sit down there. Exercise while at it, fam. No! I'm not gonna marry. Over here. If you need a family, do the most. I mean, why not? Subscribe, like, share, comment, and join the family. So in today's video, I'll be washing my dog. Guys, it is so hot as you can see. Come, 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 come. Get into the water. She actually likes water, but then quiet. Sit down, Beauty. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down there. So the water is pretty cold, but then guys, it's so hot today. So I'm just going to put it slowly on her, and she's gonna get used to the temperature. Just gonna wet her first. Yes? No! I'm not gonna marry. I'm not married. She's not here. Speedy, hello. Look how calm she is now, guys. Like, who wouldn't get freaked out getting into cold water for the first time? And Auntie's there shaking him. What is it, bro? Wanna give me a handshake? Yes, even in eyes. Need a clean nose. Hi. Ah, your paw. Let me clean your paw. Speedy. What is it, girl? What is it, my dear? Okay, need to rinse you. When you are done, go on this side. Section. And go a bit far so I can make it show. Exercise while I eat, fam. Sit down, go back, sit down. They can stop with you. Say bye-bye. There she is. Sweetie, say hello. Say hello to the viewers. Can you even see me? I pulled out this thorn out of her tail. Yo. The last time it was an entire toothpick, guys. Look at this. Imagine having that in your tail. Not in your tail, but in your arm or somewhere, guys. Yo, yeah, I'm so glad to have relieved her. But there she is over here. Sweetie, sweetie, you're clean. You're clean now. And guys, it's very hot, so she's gonna be dry very soon. So this is the perfect weather to actually wash the dog, because she's gonna get dry very quickly. So there, she's almost dry. Huh? Girl? Huh? Go back and sit there. Go back and sit there. Sweetie, go back and sit there. Go back and sit there. Go back and sit there. Here. Here. Come here. Come here. Sweetie, go back there. Go back there. Go back. Go back more. Sweetie, go back more. Yes. As I was saying, she is almost dry. I don't know where these things come from, guys. There's literally nothing here now. Sit. Good girl. Give me a high five. Yay! Say hello, viewers. Hello, viewers. I forgot to say her name is Speedy. Speedy. Stop licking your paw. Who doesn't like a clean dog? Next week we'll wash you again. She loves rolling in mud, guys. Yo, dust. Just the same way she's rolling there. Good. There she over there. You know, I told her not to move, so she's not gonna move. Until she gets dry, she's just gonna stand up on her own. So yeah, guys. It's hot, guys. It's hot. Nyachiselwa. Be in this hot sun and then still be dusty, so I just decided to relieve her of all that dust, and also so she can just be cool. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye.